Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to convert the proper case to lower case. For this, we have set of data here. So these are few lines of code we have in this particular Excel sheet. Now we are going to convert this proper case to a lower case. For this, we need to go to the next cell and give the formula as is equal to lower and then open parenthesis, open brace and select the cell value that is A1 and close the cell. And if you click on enter, you'll see the proper case text has been converted to the lower case. Similarly, if you wanted to replicate the same for other cells of data, what you can do is you need to select this particular cell and drag it till where you wanted. So we are seeing like the proper case has been converted to the lower case in all the cells or all the data where we have the proper case, it is being converted to the lower case. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates on Excel tutorials like this. And don't forget to share it with your friends and relatives.